Good morning, students. Welcome to 3rd Standard Social Science class. Once there was a frog who tried to go to the top of the mountain. I want to go to the top of the mountain. It's impossible. You can't do it. You are too small and it's difficult. You will die before you reach half of the mountain. Don't waste your time. Be with us. But the frog starts climbing and reaches the top tree. All the frogs are shocked after seeing him. Yes, the frog is deaf and thus he reached his goal. Don't listen to negative thoughts and start moving forward. Nothing is impossible. Hard work never fails. God is the wonderful creator of the universe. Nature is beautiful creation of God. God created the world to be good. God created the universe with a plan and a purpose. Today we are going to learn about Term 3, Lesson 1, Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. Freedom fighters means a person who takes part in a revolutionary struggle to achieve a political goal. Dear children, Tamil Nadu played an important role in the independence of India. There are many unknown Tamil Nadu freedom fighters who have worked for the Indian independence movement. The most important freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Tirupur Kumaran, Subramania Bharatiyar, Subhash Chandra Bose, V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. Tamil fighters even encouraged the non-cooperation movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, which helped in a positive way. In this lesson, a conversation between mother and daughter. The daughter name is Meena. Meena, dressed up as Bharatiyar, comes to her mother with a certificate in her hand.
Mom, I am so happy. I won the first prize in the fancy dress competition today.
Very good. I am proud of you, Meena. Meena, how was the Independence Day celebrated in your school? Dear children, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? Yes, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year in India. It is to commemorate the nation's independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Commemorate means recall and show respect for someone.
It went very well. My teacher appreciated me for my speech as Bharatiyar.
Well done, Meena. I missed your performance as Bharatiyar.
Don't worry, I will enact again.
Sure. Now Meena enacts.
I am Subramania Bharati. I am a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. I was born in a village called Etayapuram in Thoothukudi district. I started writing poems at the age of 7. My poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. I worked as a teacher, then I became the assistant editor of the Swadesh Mitran newspaper in 1904. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. My poems Vande Mataram, Acham Illa, Indayam Thayum and Jaya Bharadam motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement.
Excellent, Meena. You spoke very well. Bharatiyar was indeed a great freedom fighter, and one can't forget his contribution for the freedom struggle. Subramania Bharatiyar. Subramania Bharatiyar is a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He became the assistant editor of the Swadeshmitran newspaper in 1904. The title Bharatiyar, a name of the goddess of knowledge. was conferred upon him at the age of 11 by the court of Eteburam for his ability to compose poems on any subject at any moment. Goddess of knowledge means being that is believed to have a power over a particular part. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A recap of what we have learned in this class. Tamil Nadu played an important role in the independence of India. There are many unknown Tamil Nadu freedom fighters who have worked for the Indian independence movement. Subramania Bharatiyar is a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He became the assistant editor of the Swadeshamitra newspaper in 1904. The title Bharati, the name of the goddess of knowledge. Okay, students, I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.